Tonight, the picture is getting a whole lot clearer of what the trial in the plot to kidnap Governor Whitmer is going to look like, and how long it's expected to take might just surprise you. Good evening. When the 4 defendants go on trial in federal court, we're expecting not just jury selection, but the trial to go on for a long time.
Brandon Caserta, Daniel Harris, Barry Croft, and Adam Fox all stand charged in this case. Priya Mann, looking at what we should be expecting here, and I don't know if you've heard anything on this, Priya, but any chance the governor might actually be in the courtroom for this?
Yeah, that's a question a lot of people are wondering. Jason, the assistant U.S. attorney says the governor does not plan to attend or participate in the trial. The defense has argued there was no plot to kidnap the governor and that the FBI entrapped the defendants. While prosecutors dismiss that claim, they will not call 3 FBI agents with significant roles in the investigation to the witness stand.
During a final hearing before trial, a federal judge noted this is not your average case. The trial of 4 men accused of plotting to kidnap Governor Whitmer could last 4 to 5 weeks and have a much larger jury pool with up to 100 people called on day 1 of jury selection. As the case moves closer to trial, a federal judge said the identities of jurors will not be publicly revealed. Jurors will only be identified by a number. Set to begin next month in federal court, there are concerns the lengthy trial could conflict with spring break. The judge saying he wants to avoid recusing jury members during the highly publicized trial. The case highlights allegations of political extremism in Michigan, militia members training with guns and explosives, and anger over the governor's pandemic restrictions. The judge saying this case will brush on policy responses to the pandemic. I want to make sure the focus stays on the case and not how they feel about other things. Before a witness takes the stand, there has been no shortage of drama. The case has raised questions about the use of informants with allegations of FBI misconduct. 2 convicted plotters will testify for the government as 4 others face up to life in prison. The judge saying, I think this will be a challenging case, but I think with the counsel we have at all the tables, I think it will go as well as it possibly can, and I'm looking forward to it.
And the judge also said he doesn't want the trial to devolve into how the defendants feel about the truckers' protest happening in Ottawa or the January 6th insurrection in Washington. That trial set to begin on March 8th. Jason, back to you.
A lot of eyes watching it. All right, Priya, thanks.